So, for today's video, magluluto tayo ng garlic buttered chicken wings. So, meron na akong chicken wings na slice na. And then, meron akong cornstarch, may garlic, may ginger, may oyster sauce, mamasitas, salt, black pepper, butter, soy sauce, and the oil. So, I will start first to marinate the chicken.